Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will talk about a hidden Windows 11 setting that is secretly eating your RAM and slowing down your PC without you even realizing it. Your Windows 11 PC may be wasting memory right now, and it's actually doing this on purpose. There is a hidden service enabled by default deep inside Windows that preloads apps you are not even using. This service keeps running in the background and consumes your RAM continuously. Clicking on Clear Memory or closing apps only fixes the issue temporarily, and after a few minutes, the memory usage goes back up again. First, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Now type services.msc and press Enter. This will open the services window where all Windows background services are listed. Scroll down and look for sysmain. In most systems, this service is set to run automatically. Once you find it, double-click on sysmain to open its properties. Here, change the startup type from automatic to disabled. After that, click on the stop button to immediately stop the service. Now click Apply, and then click OK. At this point, you have successfully disabled sysmain and freed up the RAM that was being reserved in the background. But we're not done yet. Windows 11 has another hidden RAM eater, and that is widgets. Even if you never open the weather or news panel, Windows still runs WebView 2 processes in the background for widgets, which consumes extra memory. To disable this, right-click on your taskbar and click on Taskbar Settings. Here, find the widgets option and turn it off. This will stop those hidden browser-related processes from launching in the background. Now, restart your PC to apply all the changes properly. After restarting, open Task Manager and check your RAM usage. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.